Welcome, today I'm with iPhone 13 Pro Max and I will show you the loudest speaker level of this device. And I will measure the sound level with this decibel meter. Right now I'm going to turn it on and set up to the maximum volume mode. As you can see, it's turned on, and it means that these values on the screen will only change when our device registers the highest volume level than the previous one. So let's start the test. For sure I'm going to turn it on the highest volume level and at the highest quality. Oh, it's only 360p. Okay, never mind. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, iPhone 13 Pro Max reached 112.1 decibels. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.